wonderful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope everyone is keeping well. If this is your first time you're just watching, you have not subscribed, please do me a favor, press that red button, then click the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to know. And those that have subscribed to my channel, thank you, may God bless and keep you. And those that have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, let us move this channel forward. So guys, in this video I'm going to teach you some natural home remedy on how to increase your joystick. If you're a woman and you're watching this video and you want your man joystick to increase, keep on watching this video to the end. And you are a man, you want your joystick to increase in size, keep on watching this video to the end. And all the things that I'm going to do, they are all natural home remedy. All the things I'm going to use to make this video, they are all natural home remedy, okay? Let's get down to the video. Let me show you the things you need. So guys, one of the things you need is onions. Onions is known as one of the greatest aphrodisiac foods. It helps to increase libido and they strengthen the reproducing organ. Onions also increase the testosterone level in the body and help to increase the sexual stamina. So number 2 thing you need is ginger. Ginger is also good to increase your libido. So the last thing you need is honey. As you know, honey helps to restore energy, enhance physical stamina, and lessen the risk of cardiovascular diseases, okay? So let's get into the preparation. So guys, when you bring the onions, you now peel everything. You can use other onions, but I prefer to use this onion because of the sulfur. The sulfur that is in these onions is better than the other ones. When you bring it, you make sure that you cut it. You cut it in a way that is very easy to cut. You put it where you will wash it before you blend it. So another thing you need is this ginger. So you make sure that you peel your ginger very well. Look at it, it's ready now. You now put your onions, so make sure you put your onions inside blender. I've already cut it just to make it small so that it will be easy for me to blend. So guys, after you finish blending it, you can now sieve your onion juice. So guys, I finish I bring the water out. You now add it into your cup. After adding it to your cup, that is when you will now come and take your honey. Take 1 tablespoon of honey, put it inside. You have to mix it until everything is well combined. So look at everything is now combined. Look at how it is now. You are no longer seeing those threads of honey. After you finish mixing it, when you finish mixing it, you can now drink it. Wait, after you drink it, you wait 30 minutes later before you start anything. Okay? Please don't forget to give this video like, subscribe, and also share, so that you might save somebody who is in difficulty. Okay, help the person. Okay, see you in my next video. God bless you. Bye bye.